Randy Foreman with Newsblaze. It's been 3 years since the release of the Obama birth certificate the president released in the White House. Have you examined the document yourself?
I haven't looked
you haven't
at it.
examined the document?
I'm not interested in looking at it.
Well, you're not interested. The president's own document examiner, Reed Hayes with Pekins Coy, says that he can't defend the document. What do you say?
I'm not going to get into it, man.
But why can't he defend the document? Why is there not one? But I do appreciate your time and answering.
I have no interest in that issue at
Well,
all.
the
No
interest is the president who he says he is.
I have no interest in that.
But shouldn't you have some interest to find out who he says he is?
As far as I'm concerned, he is who he says he is.
Well, why not go for a forensic document examination to check it?
I don't need that.
You don't need that,
No.
but doesn't the American public need that?
No, not right now. No, the American public for the last 8 years, that's not an issue with them.
It's been 3 years since the Obama birth certificate's been released. Why is Congress not investigating the birth certificate to see if it's actually authentic?
We have more important issues, though.
I'm Mark Meadows from North Carolina.
I'm Randy Foreman with Newsblaze.com. Why doesn't Congress care about forensically examining the document?
It really hasn't been under any of our committees. I think we've been focused on so many other things.
First of all, we were the ones that actually not only examined but did the oversight in the subpoenas to uncover the Solyndra scandal. We're right now doing a lot of oversight on Obamacare because our committee has jurisdiction over that. So we're focusing on continuing to be a check and a balance against this administration, providing a lot of oversight. It's one of the roles of Congress. If you look at how aggressive we've been at uncovering a lot of things people probably wouldn't have found out about Fast and Furious, about Benghazi, clearly about Solyndra, and others.
Randy Foreman with Newsblaze, and your Congressman
Holding from North Carolina.
Holding of North Carolina.
I haven't read about this in some time. I'm a new member of Congress, so I wasn't here in the last Congress when most of that was considered, so I haven't had an opportunity to.
Would you seek out your own forensic document examiner to see if this document here is authentic?
If Congress wanted to do that, I wouldn't be opposed to further review of it. I'm very concentrated on some of the things that I think that Congress needs to be occupying its time with, including trying to cut spending. We have a $17 trillion debt that is driving our country into bankruptcy.
I'm Pete Olson from Texas. My answer for what the problem with the administration is, I've got Randy a bill to impeach Eric Holder. He's my number one target. Obama is not my target right now. Eric Holder has lied to Congress. He has decided what laws to enforce and not enforce. No investigations against the Tea Party despite recommendations. There's so many problems with President Obama, Randy, but the bottom line is my battle right now is Eric Holder.
So Congress isn't interested in looking at it?
I wouldn't say that. We're interested in doing this, Randy, but my focus right now on the committee right now is going after Mr. Holder. So many targets out there, as you know. Ms. Lerner, Mr. Holder. You got Mr. Kerry out there just comparing Israel's apartheid. President Obama. I know Hawaii's got some crazy laws where he can't get his birth certificates. The state withholds it, but there's some way they could have got that out. But there's some sort of cover up there. But again, my main focus isn't so much President Obama, it's Eric Holder.
The President of the United States is at the lowest poll numbers he's been at since he's been President of the United States. His performance in office has led America down a deep, steep pathway towards violent eruptions with the American people against those who work, those who don't work. His complete agenda towards bigger government and socialism, and perhaps worst of all, killing the American dream through higher debt. So what the Congress is focusing on is those policy attributes which are within our realm. I believe that the court system was hearing the case, and I'll be quite blunt with you, the last I heard, it was going through the court system. At the time that is expelled out or resolved one way or another, if we need to get into it, I look forward to receiving information about that.
I'm at Newsblaze.com, and you are?
Congressman Butterfield from North Carolina. The president was born in the United States. There are only about 15 people in America who don't believe it.
Congresswoman Carolyn Maloney.
Maloney of New York?
Yes, I haven't personally read it, but it's online.
The president's own document examiner with his own personal law firm, Reed Hayes, says that he can't defend the document. Is that a cause for consternation?
He was born in Hawaii. And the official records in Hawaii.
But the sources within Kapolani Hospital can't confirm that.
Well, that's not what I heard.
Congresswoman, I do thank you for your time and to answering my question.